Hi! In this video I will show you 5 things to know when you're using Apple Watch workout app for running. Number 1. Start and stop. You stop the timing by swiping from left to right, but this is difficult when you're sweaty. The best way to pause: press both the digital crown and the side button at the same time. To resume, press both buttons again. Number 2. Time stops. It sometimes happens to me that the timing has stopped while I'm running. When I'm done, I don't have the total time. To prevent this, I turn on the lock just when I start the time. Swipe from left to right and tap on lock. To unlock, press the digital crown and scroll down. Number 3. Auto pause. When this is on, indoor and outdoor running workouts will automatically pause when you stop moving and resume when you start moving. To turn this on, open the app settings on your Apple Watch. Go down to General and tap on Workout. Turn on auto pause. Number 4. Control music. I always listen to music when I'm running. I love my Apple Powerbeats. To control the music, swipe from right to left. Sometimes the music is too high or too low. Number 5. Statistics. I love statistics, and when I want to see all my workouts, I open the app Activity on my iPhone. Tap on Workouts to see all. And that's it. Good luck for your training, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you got the help you were looking for, thumbs up. If you want more help in the future, please subscribe to this channel, because then you will find me next time you want help here on YouTube.